Hi friends, in this video we are going to show you where can you find all the reports, and if you want further reports, what do you need to do. So basically all your reports will be visible from here. So by default we give you 6 reports, which is regarding order amounts, visited products, store visits, order details and customer and visitors, as well as in audit we give you audit logs. If I go into, let's say, one of these reports, I can directly access my report from here. So this report has been accessed from here. I can export the details of the report from here. I want to change the filters, I can change it from here. Let's say I want to see accepted. Now, obviously I don't have any accepted orders right now. I'd say all, and I can change the filters from here. And I can export it in an Excel sheet directly from here. If there are certain reports that you're accessing all the time, let's say I'm accessing this report and this report all the time, I can mark these reports as favorites, and then those reports will start showing up in favorites. And if you want any other reports to be there in the system apart from the 6 default reports that we give, you can always raise a query out here and tell us exactly what the reports are about, and we'll be creating those reports for you instantly. So we'll be creating these reports within 24 hours and you can access those reports from here. So that's all about reports. Thank you.